Students, now we will study the fourth different type of the chemical bond. It is called the coordinate bond. The fourth type of bond is called the coordinate bond. So what is this coordinate bond? Coordinate bond is also one of the type of covalent bond. So we know that what is a covalent bond? We know the definition of covalent bond. So what is a covalent bond? Covalent bond is nothing but one of the type of chemical bond which is formed by the equal sharing of electrons. So by the equal sharing of electrons between the two atoms, there exists some force of attraction between those two atoms. So such type of force of attraction can be taken as a covalent bond. Now we are studying the coordinate bond. So what is this coordinate bond? Coordinate bond is also one of the type of covalent bond. Here also the sharing of electrons are there, but this sharing is in the unequal form. Let us study how unequal sharing of electrons takes place to form a covalent bond. Now we will take one of the electron deficient species. H plus is called the electron deficient species. Why it is called the electron deficient species? Because we know that hydrogen is one of the element having atomic number 1. The configuration is 1s1. 1s1. That means there is a presence of one electron in the 1s atomic orbital. So if we remove this one electron, what will happen? There is no presence of electron in the s atomic orbital. So by the loss of that one electron, it will attain one positive charge. That means H plus ion is formed by the loss of one electron from the s atomic orbital of the hydrogen. Okay, now there is no presence of electrons belongs to s atomic orbital. So hence hydrogen H plus ion can be taken as electron deficient species. There is no presence of electron, hence it is called electron deficient species. That means H plus is electron deficient species. Next, we will take one more substance. It is called ammonia, NH3. So in this ammonia, nitrogen containing a lone pair of electron and 3 unpaired electrons. So these 3 unpaired electrons will form bonds with the 3 hydrogen atoms, so that 3 bonded pair of electrons are produced. So there is a formation of 3 bonded pair of electrons. These 3 are nothing but the bonded pair of electrons which are formed by the equal sharing of electrons between the nitrogen atom and the neighboring hydrogen atoms. So these 3 are nothing but the 3 bonded pair of electrons, and this is called the lone pair of electron. So what is a lone pair of electron? A pair of electron belongs to the same atom, at the central atom. It belongs to central atom. Both the pair of electron, that is this pair of electron, that means it contains 2 electrons, that is a pair of electron. This pair of electron belongs to only nitrogen atom. So due to the existence of one of the pair of electron belongs to nitrogen of ammonium, this ammonia is having a capacity to donate this pair of electron to the electron deficient species. Hence we can say that this is having a capacity to donate a pair of electron. Hence it is called the electron rich species. So whenever electron rich species comes in contact with the electron deficient species, ammonia containing a pair of electron belongs to nitrogen atom. So this pair of electron can be donated towards the electron deficient species. So whenever these two comes in contact with one another, so between those two there is a formation of one of the bond called the coordinate bond. So how that bond is formed? Here H plus ion is there and ammonia is also there. So ammonia containing a pair of electron, that is called a lone pair of electron. So this lone pair of electron is donated towards the H plus ion. This pair of electron is nothing but a lone pair of electron. That lone pair of electron belongs to ammonia, is donated towards, the arrow mark indicates a pair of electrons donating from ammonia towards H plus ion. So this arrow mark indicates the formation of coordinate bond between the H plus ion and the ammonia molecule. So this is nothing but the coordinate bond. So here a force of attraction between the H plus and ammonia will exist. That force can be taken as coordinate bond. Then how can we define a coordinate bond? So coordinate bond is also one of the type of a covalent bond. which is formed by the sharing of electrons, but the sharing of electrons is in the unequal form. So how can I define a coordinate bond? Co-ordinate bond can be defined as the force of attraction between two species which is formed by the unequal sharing of electrons between the two species. So such type of force of attraction can be taken as a co-ordinate bond. Okay, so this coordinate bond is formed between the H plus and ammonia molecule. So here the arrow mark indicates the representation of coordinate bond between electron deficient species and the electron rich species. So arrowhead is pointing towards the electron deficient species, and this point represents or it is pointing towards the electron rich species. That is, we have to represent ammonia towards left side and H plus towards the right side. So this is nothing but the representation of a coordinate bond. So this is a fourth type of coordinate bond that we are going to study in this chapter.